Mercedes dealer wanted 6 grand to redo my front end. I did it myself for 700 bucks. Here's how I did it. I went on Amazon and I found a front end kit with the tie rods, inner and outer, and then the upper, lower, and lateral control arms for $300 or $350, I believe. Went and bought that, and then from there I took it to my friend's shop and we did it together on the lift. He only charged me 400 bucks, which is a great deal. Thankfully I've stayed friends with him, and you know, he's been willing to help me out. So we did, one second, let me put this thing in the trunk and then I'll show you what we changed. I'm not taking the wheel off, but obviously take the wheel off first. We did the inner and outer tie rods, the lateral arm, we did the upper control arm here, and then the lower control arm down there that holds the shock in place, and the there's one bolt right here, and then there's another bolt way down there to get the upper control arm on this side, and then on the driver's side this nut here, and then there's another nut way down there. A little tricky to get to, but we got it done. Those are for the uppers. The lower and the lateral, there's over here towards the right underneath, there's a bolt. Then there's obviously the nut on the inside of the wheel well, I mean, and then you disconnect it from the shock, and then the lower pops out. The lateral is just the ball joint, and then in the back is another bolt. The tie rods, probably see it better from the other side. So the inner tie rod, you remove that boot right here and you unscrew it. Obviously you take the outer tie rod off first, loosen that nut, take this ball joint out, and remove the boot. Then you can take the inner tie rod out, and then you just put it back in reverse order. I know I need tires. From there I had to go straight for an alignment almost immediately because the wheel was like this, sitting straight. Now we're sitting straight because the alignment got done. So altogether it was about 780 bucks including the alignment, which way better than 6 grand.